Welcome to SAT Climb. 2 equations and nothing to solve. The SAT wants to know how many solutions the system has. 1, none, or infinitely many. And you can answer that just by looking at the coefficients. Two linear equations are 2 lines. Everything depends on how the lines sit. Different slopes and the lines cross once. That is exactly one solution. Same slope but different intercepts and the lines run parallel. They never touch. No solution. Same slope and the same intercept and they are the same line drawn twice. Every point works, so there are infinitely many solutions. The real question is never how many, it is this. Are the slopes the same, and if they are the lines the same? Here is the classic. 3x plus 2y equals 12 and 6x plus 4y equals 30. Do not solve. Compare. Multiply the first equation by 2 and the left side becomes exactly 6x plus 4y, the same left side as the second equation. But the right side becomes 24, while the second equation says 30. Same left side, 2 different right sides. That is impossible. Push the elimination through and the variables cancel, leaving 0 equals 6, a false statement. Parallel lines, no solution. Now the version the test actually loves with a missing constant. 4x plus 6y equals 10 and 6x plus ky equals 15. For infinitely many solutions, every ratio has to match. 6 over 4 is 3 halves, 15 over 10 is 3 halves, so k over 6 must also be 3 halves, which makes k equal 9. Check it. Multiply the first equation by 3 halves and you get 6x plus 9y equals 15. Identical equations. One line drawn twice, so infinitely many solutions. Your turn. Kx plus 3y equals 9 and 2x plus y equals 4. The system has no solution. What is k? Pause and think. Here is the read. No solution means the slopes match but the lines are different. The y coefficients are 3 and 1, so the second equation scales up by 3, giving 6x plus 3y equals 12. Match the x terms and k must be 6. Now check the constants. 12 is not 9, so the lines really are parallel. K equals 6. Answer C. 3 traps. 1. Seeing the same slope and calling it no solution. Same slope can also mean the same line, which is infinitely many. Check the constant before you decide. 2. Comparing only the x coefficients. All 3 ratios have to match x, y, and the number on the right. 3. Panicking when the variables vanish. 0 equals 6 is not a mistake, it is the answer. It means no solution. And 0 equals 0 means infinitely many. Systems solved. Different slopes, one solution. Same slope with a different constant, none. Same everything, infinitely many. Compare the ratios before you solve anything. Start free at satclimb.com.